From the USA Small Tractor and Skid Steer Attachments Specialists. www.prunersloppersnewholland.com announces the new and improved Rockaway Super Duty Landscape Tool. The best, most versatile mechanical landscape rake on the market. Create finely groomed seedbeds from hard, stony ground the easy, low maintenance way. The affordable, low maintenance, quality, now redesigned Rockaway landscaping tool. Fits virtually any skid steer loader. The Rockaway picks rocks in reverse, but is also designed to push small amounts of dirt when moving forward. Low profile makes visibility excellent. Heavy duty, 1/4 steel shroud withstands abuse. Laser cut slots on both top sides permit a view of the working rotor. Holes in front let fine soil flow through. You won't dump your bucket often. When you do, you'll dump mostly rocks. Now with more than 16 years in the hands of many highly satisfied landscaper customers, the field-tested Rockaway has been upgraded to a new level of performance and durability. The basic design of the unit has been retained, but owner comments and suggestions have been carefully accepted and incorporated to create what we call our Super Duty model. New Super Duty improvements. New, stronger hood design with slotted holes. The rotor shaft has been enlarged from 1140 in diameter to 1do diameter with heavier duty 1do bearings. New, larger number 80 drive sprockets and chain increased from number 60. For added strength, tube frame has been increased 50% from Co to 3/16 heavier for durability. A front push bar do thick has been added to increase strength and provide a wear area when pushing soil forward. 3/16 stainless steel wear runners have been added to the bottom of both sides of the frame. Hoses are now covered with protective material. Rotor has been redesigned with a bolted hub for easy service. A rubber protecting flap now hangs 80to100 the bucket. Low maintenance. Just 2 greaseable bearings and 1 chain. Highly versatile, fits any low profile skid steer bucket 68 to 7312 wide, or order an optional factory custom built bucket. 1 rotor, with durable HARDOX steel teeth, gives years of productive service. Spiral mounted HARDOX teeth pull material toward the center, helping avoid dirt trails. Thank you from www.prunersloppersnewholland.com. Call us today. 844-243-9868. info@prunersloppersnewholland.com.